I'm Julia from Tourbel. Today we are going to focus on uses of have, get, using structures. Have something done, have plus object plus participle, use of experience, get plus object plus participle. We use have something done when we talk about other people doing things for us. For example, I have my haircut every 2 months. We use have plus object plus participle when we describe an experience. For example, I had a dog follow me home yesterday. We use get plus object plus past participle to indicate that someone arranges something to be done. For example, I got my car repaired. Now you try. My tires change every year. My granddad his hip replaced a few years ago. I would love to my fortune tell one day. I have my tires changed every year. My granddad had his hip replaced a few years ago. I would love to have my fortune told one day. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope the video was helpful. Follow us for more content.